95% of creators waste time guessing AI prompts for their thumbnails. So, isa ka pa rin ba sa mga gumagawa ng thumbnails by guessing prompts? Stop doing that. Okay? Usually, ang hassle dito is iisip ka pa kung anong tamang prompt tapos hit or miss pa yung result. So, mas madaling way dito is yung Descartes Studio free na ginawa ko for you guys. It's a free access, okay? If gusto mo na mas advanced na workflow, meron ako dito ng Descartes Studio Pro. Okay? Pero papakita ko sa inyo dito yung free access. So, simple lang to. Upload your image, pili ka ng thumbnail style, then instead na mag-type ka ng mahabang prompts, click ka lang ng pre-configured viral-worthy prompts. So, I'll show you how to do it this one. Okay? Let's go. So, ang gagawin natin dito is simple lang. Pipili natin is Gemini. Okay? So, meron tayong your face or subject. So, ito bali magiging center ng thumbnail mo. So, now, pipili ka kung anong klaseng background ang gusto mo. Pwede kang mamili ng multiple dyan. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito is, siguro pipiliin ko make money and technology. Now, saan ko gusto yung subject ko? Gusto ko nasa left side, right side, center, or bottom left. Ikaw nang bahala dyan. Bottom right, bahala ka. So, ang gagawin ko dyan, gusto ko siya nasa center. Yung camera angle niya is nasa 3/4 angle. Now, gusto ko is pointing up siya. Oops, sorry, nakalock pa pala to. Serious and intense lang na tayo. Or shock mouth open. Okay? Then, pointing up. Now, ito pala, may inada ko dyan yung face retouching. So, kung gusto niyo ng medyo makinis ang kutis niyo, pwede niyo click yung light touch, medium, or full glam. So, now, ito yung title natin. Kabit natin, Malunggay Pandesal. Mainit pa. Text is yellow and black. Then, anong gusto natin? Probably we'll go with a neon glow rush. Now, kabit natin lahat yan. Sige, kabit natin. Wala namang problema dyan. Okay? So, next is, kakopy natin tong prompt na to. Pwede mo naman copy yan, pero as much as possible, ayaw ko nang merong nabimiss out. So, gusto ko nakikita ko to. Then, copy. Now, what we can do is go here. By the way, for Gemini, iba na siya. You need to go to flow. Then, immediately, you can paste your prompt here. Then, drop na lang yung image natin. Okay? Oops, sorry. Let's, paano ba to? Okay. Iba na kasi way niya actually. Okay. Okay, add ingredients. Pinagsama na kasi ni Gemini yung video and image niya. So, nasa isang portal na lang siya. So, let's wait lang para ma-generate to. Okay, done. Okay, then hit. Libre lang to. So, ang gagawin ko lang is, I'll generate 4 probably. Let's see. So, while waiting for this one, ang gagawin natin is, let's head on this. Ito pala yung Netroute portal ko for our YouTube members. So, meron tayong Descartes AI Lab. Dito is yung YouTube thumbnail natin. Descartes Pro. Okay, so dito yung Pro natin. So, let's see muna kung ano results nito. So, while waiting, malapit na matapos ito. Okay, let's see kung nagawa niya talaga yung prompt natin. Malunggay pandesal mainit pa. Tama, di ba? Kinabit natin, pointing up. Now, how about the other image? Ito, malunggay pandesal, mainit-init pa. See how easy it is kung meron kang ganitong klaseng tools to help you out to create this kind of thumbnails. Kung wala yan, medyo mahirap. Mag-iisip ka pa talaga. So now, let's move to a pro version. So, I'll show you ano ba talaga yung difference nito pag gumamit tayo ng pro. Ano pinagkaiba? Okay, let's go. So now, sa pro version natin is napakasimple lang. Meron kang main subject natin. Gagawin natin the same thing. Okay? So, pwede ka pa rin mag-add ng other image yan. Sige, probably we'll go with the other custom on-screen or logo overlay. I'll go with a floating prompt. Okay? Kabit natin dito is pandesal. Then, ChatGPT. Then, ito is food. And money and affiliate. Okay? So, gusto natin is center. Tignan natin kung ano pinagkaiba ha. Then, same angle as well. So, gagawin natin dito is surprise eyebrows raised. Now, paghawakin natin siya ng phone, kabit natin dito is malunggay pandesal. Same thing. Mainit-init pa. Okay. Tingnan natin anong pinagkaiba niya. Then, we'll go with the white, white and black. Custom is, gawin natin is green and yellow gradient. Okay. Kabit natin lahat ng mga option dyan. Bahala na si Batman. Okay. Now, you will have this kind of prompt. Copy again. Let's move here. Paste. Then I'll just drop my image. And let's wait. And hit submit. Now guys, I'll be giving away this free link for you to try it out. So, wala nang hula-hula. It's for you to use. Let's see, Wait, medyo matagal-tagal to. But, okay. The good thing now, for all AI platforms, last time I was having a hard time creating a thumbnail aspect ratio, like 16:9. Hindi niya ginagawa yun. Ngayon, may option na si YouTube ng mga platform na gagawa na talaga ng 16:9. So, they will follow that kind of aspect ratio, which is good. Dahil wala nang adjust talaga sa YouTube thumbnail natin. Okay, let's see. Alright, tapos na. Tignan natin ang result. See? Guys, ako mas prefer ko yung wait. Tawa ako sa pandesal. Okay. Mas prefer ko ang ChatGPT when it comes to YouTube thumbnail. Okay? So, pagdating dito, ChatGPT na ginagawa ko, you see how good it is? All the things that we have created is nandito. Nakita mo yung pandesal, nandito yung pera, lahat ng clinical. Grabe, umabot ng 100,000 yung palunggay pandesal for sale. So, ito yung image na in-upload ko as it is. Kuwang-kuwa niya. Yan. Kuwang-kuwa. Tama? So, now, it's for you guys to use the tool and have some fun.